Yeah, we are in the Feather River watershed and the headwaters of the Feather River at the Thompson Meadow. And we are looking at a restoration project that the Department of Water Resources, with its partners, Plumas Corps, the Wildlife Conservation Board, and others, have been working on since 2023 to restore this beautiful meadow.
And so why would the Department of Water Resources be involved in a project like this?
Well, this is the headwaters of the State Water Project. So the water that flows through this meadow flows down into the Feather River and into Oroville Lake, which then flows down through the Feather River and Sacramento River and to our 27 million Californians that get some portion of their water from the State Water Project. So what we're interested in up here is slowing the water down, reestablishing this natural reservoir. So if we would have been out here 4 years ago before the restoration, this would have been a dry meadow with a deeply incised river running through it. The water comes through and would run out very quickly. Now you can see it's wet, it's a sponge, it's a reservoir that's going to hold that water through the spring and into the summer, release it slowly, which benefits the State Water Project as water supply. It benefits the wildlife up here. It's a wildfire benefit. The ecology you can see is undeniable benefits.
So what's next in terms of investments in projects like this?
So this is one of the things that we're doing up here. We see that this, we can make a huge difference in a small space with this project, but we also understand that right behind us is the Dixie Fire. That's over 1 million acres of burned forest that look like that. And there's a tremendous amount of forest management that needs to be done in this area. And so we're also making investments in larger partnerships for forest management. So later this week, we'll announce a partnership with Metropolitan Water District of Southern California, Pacific Gas and Electric, Blue Forest, the Sierra Institute, the Sierra Nevada Conservancy, that we're investing in to do some very large landscape scale restoration and forest management projects.
It's great. Well, thanks so much, Andrew. Thanks for a great day out here, and thanks to all the partners who made this happen.